Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. We got a great video for you today. Today we have the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. This is a huge milestone for the Barricade Rides channel. Thank you so much everyone for the support and the love. And also we are going to have a channel update in this video as well. So let's roll that intro and get right to it. Holy cow, 3,000 subscribers. I thought that 1,000 subscribers was a near impossible task, but here we are at 3,000. Thank you so much for the support and all the love. And I want to apologize that I haven't been posting as much lately. A lot of my mental health issues have been creeping up on me. And a lot of it PTSD from while in the military, growing up and whatnot, anxiety and depression, and I've been having a real rough go at it. I've been doing therapy for about every other week, and now I'm going to be doing it about every week now. So try to get myself back to feeling normal. So hopefully that can be happening soon. So I'm going to be putting in the work. It's going to be a lot of work to do, but hey, I can do it. And again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I also want to thank a few of the companies that contributed to this giveaway. Odin Manufacturing has hooked us up with some gloves. We got the heavy hitters as well as the Street MX gloves, and both of those are some badass gloves. The heavy hitters are size extra large, and the Street MX are size large. We also want to thank CMC Motorsports. They have contributed a beanie, and it is a really dope beanie with a nice large CMC Motorsports patch. And next I want to thank Kemimoto. Kemimoto is a fantastic company I've been working with for some time now, and they're donating 2 pairs of heated gloves. I did reviews on these, and these gloves are phenomenal. At least one of my they're in my top 5. And they're also hooking us up with 2 pair of leather gloves as well. Next, I want to thank HSU. They're hooking us up with a GoPro mount, or an action camera mount for the front of your helmet. I did a review on this as well. And we also got some extension arms for the action cameras. So all these products or prizes are absolutely fantastic. I'm sure you're wondering, how is it I can win these? So it's simple. Go to Instagram, look up Barricade_Rides, give me a follow, subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel, and put a comment down in the comments, because I'm going to use a comment generator to randomly select the winners. So you want to make sure to do all 3 of those things, and I plan on next week sometime doing the drawing and see who the winners are. So I am absolutely stoked on this giveaway. 3,000 subscribers is no small feat by any means, and I couldn't have done it without all the supporters out there, the people that watch my channel, comment on it regularly, and even some of the haters out there. I appreciate you all. Any comment like, dislike, whatever. It's all content interaction, and it helps the channel grow. I guess I'll leave you guys off with this. Don't want to take up too much of your time. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your rides.